Hi, I'm Christian from Oz Caravan World, and today I'm super excited to show you through a bus fit out that we've recently completed for a beautiful couple that are based up at Gympie. Basically what they wanted to do was have all the mod cons from home and bring them on their journey throughout Australia that they'll be starting pretty soon. So what I'll do is I'll bring you inside and let's go have a look. Hey guys, welcome inside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through a few of the features that are really adamant within this build. So basically on the right hand side here you've got a dining table, which basically you can just lift that off and that converts into the bed. So it's pretty cool if you've got grandkids that might want to stay with you for a couple of nights, you can just throw them in there and they'll be nice and comfortable. So it just slips back on. And then obviously further along the bus, what we've got is we've got a full-size fridge, similar to what you get at home, as well as a slide-out pantry with all baskets that are fully adjustable for whatever height you want them at. And then over on the left-hand side here, obviously you've got your grill and cooktop, as well as a dishwasher, which is an amazing feature for this bus fit out. And then ahead of me, the customer that we have is very claustrophobic. So one of her big concerns is when they're traveling around, obviously they'll be doing this full time, is that she won't be able to breathe inside the shower and the toilet. So what we've come up with is a design that basically allows you to open the door up and it locks off to still give you privacy. And you have a shower curtain in there that you can be nice and comfortable. And same goes with the toilet on the other side. So that one just clips back, and then on the other side, you can close it up as well. So come on guys, I'll show you through to the bedroom. Yeah, so as you can see here, we've got his and her wardrobes, which have obviously hanging space as well as rooms for undies, pants, anything else the customer might want to put in there. Obviously we've got Sirocco fans as well for both sides of the bed, as well as a TV bracket, which will eventually have a TV on it. The other very great feature is we have all this storage on the bed head, which is overhead cupboards, USB chargers, power points, and also the bed in particular, which is an electric bed, which can actually move up and down, which is pretty fantastic. And the customer really wanted to be able to fit that in. Welcome to our showroom. So basically whenever we come and meet with a customer, basically what we do is we go through their whole design, their layout, everything they want, and then we bring them up to the showroom where we can go through all the bench tops options, all the sinks, taps, as well as cooktops, fridges, as well as LED lighting. The other thing that we can do as part of the build is obviously get all your fabric choices done. So we can do curtains, obviously upholstery for all your lounges, and anything else that you might want. So thank you guys for listening. It's been a great pleasure to work with our clients. This has been a very special build and one of a kind. So thanks so much for that. We wish you guys all the best and have a great journey around Australia.